Okay, hello guys. Hi, hi, hi. Yes, so we will be starting off with your static GK from today. So the first topic in static GK that we are going to look into is your solar systems. Solar system. Now you will tell sir what is there in this very easy topic. We have been learning all through our school and college life, so it is pretty much simple. Okay, let us understand what is your level of understanding over here. Okay, so now just to understand quickly, we need to realize how did the solar system come into existence. Was there any incident which happened, or how did this earth, Venus, Mercury and everything just started forming? Now let us understand in more like a funny way, okay, so that you will remember it. Okay. So now imagine that there are two boys playing. Okay, two boys are playing circle. They are just rounding around the circle and playing. The first boy name is Sun. The second boy is another star. There's some other star. Okay, these two boys are playing. In comes the entry of a girl. Okay, this girl's name is gaseous. Gaseous planet. Okay. Now this girl has a very huge dream. She is working towards her dream. Okay, she is traveling towards her dream. What happens to the boys? Obviously, boys' mentality, so we get attracted. Very sad of them. We get attracted. As soon as he saw the girl, oh my god, she is my love of my life. So he got attracted. So he started moving towards the girl. So obviously, when a girl sees somebody is getting attracted by her and he's always following her, she will start looking at him little bit at least. Though she doesn't have interest, at least okay, little bit. Who is this guy? Why is he following me? Same way that girl also is looking. In the meantime, the boy has generated a very strong feeling. Okay, not little bit, very very strong feeling he has generated. Built like a universe for her. The girl, in the other hand, is not bothered about it. Still, she is still traveling in her own way, but little bit of here and there, some feelings. That's all. Just like a crush kind of thing. Now what happened? Beyond a limit, the boy could not extend his arms. Okay. And the girl also had to go to achieve her goals. What happens? There was a heartbreak. Heartbreak. And due to this heartbreak, what happened? The boy's heart broke into multiple small parts. And the girls, all those small extensions also broke into multiple small extensions. And in between, obviously it is broken means in between some debris will be there, no? Some debris came into picture between them. The debris wall. Okay, now you will ask me, sir, okay, what are these debris? What happened here? What happened? Okay, let me explain you what happened. Now comes the introduction of our main hero, Sun, or the formation of our universe. Sun came into existence. And with Sun who came? Planets. What happened? The Sun's heart broke, no? So that he created four planets. Now these were called as terrestrial planets. Or they were called as inner planets. Hmm. Now what happened next? The gaseous planet also broke, no? It also formed certain planets. And these were called as the gaseous planet. Or these were called as outer planets. Outer planets. And in between there were debris, Now all these are called as the asteroid belt. Oh, this is the asteroid belt, sir. Yes. Now if I ask a question, which asteroid belt is between which two planets? What will you tell, sir? Very much easy. I've been learning this. Come on. So this is called as Mercury, Venus, Mars. Is it right? Earth, Earth, Mars. Then comes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Neptune. So Pluto is not considered as a planet. Now, the asteroid belt is between which two planets? Mars and Jupiter. If I ask, which planet is between the asteroid belt and the Earth? Mars. Which planet is between Mars and Saturn? Jupiter. The questions can be asked here. Okay. This is the basic idea of this particular thing. Clear till here? So what happened? The sun was in a relationship, it broke its heart and it became parts. It formed something called as terrestrial planets, and this formed something called as gaseous planets. Now this region of the terrestrial planet, these are highly dense, and these are less dense. Since they are gaseous, it is less dense, obvious reasons, right? So whatever story I said now, it is just a theory. It is just a theoretical idea in order to make you people understand, okay, this is how the formation happened. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Sir, since this came, now who is the biggest planet here, sir? Okay, the largest planet, biggest planet, what are you telling? The largest planet is going to be Jupiter. Second largest, Saturn. Third largest, Uranus. Fourth largest, Neptune. Fifth largest planet will be Earth, and after that will be Venus, and after that will be Mars, and post that the smallest planet will be Mercury. Smallest planet will be Mercury. Now if I ask, the smallest planet revolves around the sun the fastest or the slowest? Obviously the answer is fastest, because it is closest to the sun. Okay, the Mercury revolves around the sun the fastest. What is the meaning of revolving? Coming around the sun. What is the meaning of rotating? Rotating in the same place. Just if you're rotating and turning around in the same place, it is called as a rotation. Fine. So which planet will take the longest time to revolve around the sun? Obviously Neptune, because it is the farthest planet. Now if I ask a question, which is the hottest planet? For obvious reasons you will tell, sir, you're asking all these, Mercury, come on, take it up. But in reality, Mercury is not hottest, because Mercury, yes, this part will be hot, but the remaining part will be cold. And the average temperature in Mercury will be lesser comparatively. Why, sir? Because the carbon dioxide in Mercury is very less. But when we come to Venus, it has almost 95% carbon dioxide. Because of that, it is always hot. Okay, the hottest planet in solar system is Venus. It is also called as the brightest planet, or it's also called as evening star, or also called as morning star. So many details are given about Venus. And Venus is the closest planet to Earth compared to Mars. These are some details about Venus. Okay, clear? And also another fact about Venus, it is called as the twin sister of Earth. Twin sister of Earth, because they both look alike. But on Earth, we have living things, and on Venus we do not have any living things. That's all. Fine. So from Earth you can see Venus as the brightest star. Even in your bare eyes you can see there is no harm in it. Right? And when you come to the next concept, okay, so pretty much easy. We have a concept called as satellite. From your childhood you have been learning Earth as a natural satellite. It is called as Moon. Moon is our natural satellite. A similar way, every planet has its satellites or moons. So Mars has its two satellites, which is called as Phobos. In Mars, we have two satellites. One is called as Phobos, the other is called as Deimos. Deimos is the smallest satellite. Smallest satellite. And in Jupiter and Saturn, always there is a competition who has the largest number of satellites, because it keeps changing between Jupiter and Saturn. So whenever you're going to an exam for any kind of entrance exam, just if you have static GK, just before you go, just check on that particular year which has the highest number of satellites. Is it Jupiter or Saturn? The answer keeps changing over the time. Okay. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all are gaseous planet. Okay, so these are called as outer planets, these are called as inner planets, and in between them you have something called as the asteroid belt. Clear? So I hope all the information over here was pretty much straightforward and clear. Now I will take you to the questions and let us see how many questions you are able to answer. I hope your solar system is getting rewinded for you. Okay, some important facts. Biggest planet, Jupiter. Yes. Brightest star outside our solar system is called as Sirius, or it is also called as a dog star. Dog star. Closest star to solar system is called as Proxima Centauri. Planet with maximum moons is Jupiter. Planet with fastest rotation, means on its own self it rotates, the fastest is Jupiter. Coldest planet is also the farthest planet. Farthest planet, it is Neptune. Slowest rotation, Venus. It is also the hottest planet or the brightest planet. Smallest planet is Mercury. It is the first planet after Sun. First after Sun. The only satellite with atmosphere like Earth is going to be your Titan. Biggest satellite is Ganymede. It is available in Jupiter. Ganymede. Blue planet Earth. Green planet Uranus. Brightest planet Venus. What is the red planet? Mars. That's all. Right? Evening star Venus. Farthest planet from Sun is Neptune. Planet with maximum number of satellites, Saturn. Again, this can be either Jupiter or Saturn. That's it. Fastest revolution in solar system, Mercury. It revolves the fastest revolution around the Sun. Hottest planet, Venus. Densest planet, Earth. Morning star, Venus. Nearest planet to Earth, Venus. Nearest planet to Sun, Mercury. Red planet, Mars. Slowest revolution solar system, Neptune. Earth's twin, Venus. So it is pretty much straightforward concepts of your solar system. Very basic. Read once, you will remember it for your life. Okay, just remember the story what I said. That will make you remember most of the things very much clear. Okay, when you know what is dense, what is less dense, or what is the terrestrial planets and the gaseous planets, things get much more better, easy. Okay, and where does the asteroid belt? Where is the asteroid belt available? Asteroid belt is available between Mars and Jupiter. Right? A very important question. And so hope this concepts of your solar system is pretty much clear. So I will soon meet you in the next video of your GK. So until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.